This is a little short video on how to repair the broken T1000 Optimail or Optimail 30 cassette cartridge. And what usually happens is it will tear in the machine here, and what really gives the problem is it'll roll up this side, usually 100% of the time will roll up into here, and you can't get a hold of it to pull it back through the hole here. So what you do is fashion a paper clip like this, kind of leave that on there for a handle, and put a little crook in it about right here. The next step, so it's rolled up into here, what I do is I'll reach, looking at the cartridge this way, if you turn it to the large slot, it will reach in here like this. See if y'all can see that good. And you just kind of grab it up like this and pull it out. Once you have this, it's a good idea to roll off a good bit of the excess cartridge tape, because it's gets bunched up in there, and when you tape these ends together it makes it a little bit bigger. So just roll it off, and when you get a little bit rolled off, you'll just cut it like so. The next step, what you're going to do is, I usually take my thumb and open that little door up just a little bit, so long as you can get this up in here. And I'm going to stick the paper clip up inside of this, right in this hole, and it's going to go up like this and grab a hold of this tape. See how it's kind of looped around it, and you just pull the tape through. And that's usually the hardest part, is getting this other end. This end very rarely, if ever, gets wound up. It's usually this end here that will get wound up inside, and people will throw their cartridge away and waste a lot of good ink. So once you get that part done, it's very simple. Just cut the end of the tape off. Just kind of flip it over. And what you're going to do is tape these two ends together. So you just pull off a little piece of tape and just tape them together. It doesn't have to be beautiful. Just get the tape on there. If you have a little rolling over the edges, just fold it in like so. And once you have that done, you just flip it over, roll it the direction of the arrow like so, and once this gets rolled up in here, see how it's there's your tape up inside of here. Once it gets past that point, it's as good as new, and just stick it right back in the meter machine. That's a little brief video on how to repair the cassette cartridges. Thanks.